Okay, now let us the discussion of the part 3 lecture, the continuation of the problems. Now previous video we are uploaded already regarding that till the line segment circle to till that we completed kite problems. Now we are going to enter to the part 3. In this discussion we have to see the problem analysis of cube and a cuboid, then after that a cone, then after following by cylinder, then after the cylinder sphere, then after hemisphere. Regarding this I should discuss, previously I was in the part 3 video of your correlators. This formulas already discussed is done. Now we have to see each and everything for problem analysis. Okay, now let us start one by one problem. The problem number 1 for this, the side of a cone, the side of, let us take a cube, the side of a cube is 5 centimeters, the side of a cube is 5 centimeter. Find find lateral surface area and total surface area and volume of a cube. This is a question. Side of a cube is 5 centimeter. You need to find out lateral surface area and total surface area, volume of a cube. I think just you has to take a cube. You has to take a cube. Cube is a four-sided figure. It having length, breadth, and height because all are same sides. So cube all are same because length, breadth are all are same. So that's what I was mentioned. So we can take the solution case. What they mentioned side, only one side mentioned, that is A is equal to 5 centimeters. I think you people are already comfortable. What is the formula of lateral surface area? What is the formula of TSA? What is volume of a cube? So let us take first one. They mention only the side is 5 centimeter. Or people are taking S you can take, or else you can take, some people they can take A is equal to 5 centimeter. Nothing wrong in that. Now what is first one? Lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area of a cube? 4 into A. Top and bottom areas you leave, only sides you mentioned. There are four face means four sides look like a square. S into S square. Automatically four sides means the formula is 4A square. Lateral surface area 4A square. So 4 into, what's the value of A? 5. So 5 into 5. So 5 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100. So answer is 100 centimeters square. Next, second one is TSA. TSA means what? Total surface area means a lateral surface area. Then the rest of area. Rest of area means the top and bottom of your cube. So 4A square. The top is A square, bottom is A square, automatically 2A square. So automatically the formula is 6A square. I told you. So 6A square formula you need to apply 6 into A square, 5 into 5. Am I clear? Right? So 5 5 is 25. 25 into 6 the answer is 150. Answer is 150 centimeter square. So 6A square, right? 6 into 5 into 5. 6 5 is 30, 35 is 150, 150 centimeter square. That is TSA, total surface area. Next, third one is volume of a cube. What's the volume of cube formula? Volume of cube is what? Length into breadth into height. Automatically A into A into A. Automatically the volume of cube is A cube. If you have a formula out, please go to the video and watch, come back to here. A cube is what? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. The answer is 125 centimeter cube. 125 centimeter cube. Please remember the area units are centimeter square always. The volume units are always centimeter cube because you need to multiply centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, 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 centimeter square, centimeter into centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. Always volume is centimeter cube or meter cube. Depends upon the what they mention for us. Now this is the problem about this cube. Once you remember the formulas, then you can easily understand the thing. Now clear? Now let us we move to the next. Now cube is clear. Now let us the problem number 2. Next, the length, uh, the length and the breadth and height of cuboid as follows: 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. And find its number 1 lateral surface area, number 2 total surface area, number 3 volume of cuboid? This is a question. Now let us, we has to take the diagram first of all. It's a cuboid. The cuboid is look like I told you. This is like your textbook. The textbook possessing length, width, and height. All these things is possessing. Now let us here. What is the length here? They mention length is 5 centimeter. Please write 5 centimeter. Next breadth is 4 centimeter. The breadth is nothing but this is the breadth, the down one. This is a textbook it should do down. Let us this you can take it as breadth, no problem. 4 centimeter. Now this is you can take it a height. What's the height here? 2 centimeter. This is the data they mention. Now you people are can write length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter, height is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the data they mention. Now let us start working LSA, TSA, volume. Now let us take first one, LSA, lateral surface area of a cuboid. That's the lateral surface of cuboid. 2 LH plus 2 LH, right? 2 LH plus 2 BH. It's a lateral surface area. It is four-sided figure. If you have any doubt, you can go and watch the video and come back. So 2 into LH, right? What's the length? 5 centimeter. What's the height? 2 centimeter. What's the breadth? 4 centimeter. What's the height? 2 centimeter. Now let us start working. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. Okay. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. The answer is 36 centimeters square. This is a lateral surface area. Now second one, TSA. What's a TSA? 2 LB, 2 LH plus 2 BH. This is the case. Now let us what you can add substitute 2 into 5 into 4. 2 LH already we finished. 2 LH, 2 BH. Answer is 36. So this is what 5 to the 10, 10 4 the 40. 40 plus 36, how much Rana? 76 centimeters square. This is the total surface area. This is the lateral surface area. Now it's clear. Now third thing is what? Volume. Now I'll try to write here only volume. What's the volume of the cuboid? Formula is length into breadth into height. What's the value of length? 5, breadth is 4, height is 2. So 5 4 is 20, 22 is 40. 40 centimeter cube. 40 centimeter cube. This is the volume of your cuboid. Now it's clear. All sides you multiply, you'll get volume. So now cuboid is clear. Now I'll go for problem number 3. The radius and radius comma slant length comma height of cone is 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and it is let us take 6 centimeter. This is the mention. Find its CSA, curved surface area, and TSA, total surface area, and volume of cone. This is a question. Now let us try to draw the cone diagram. This is a cone, Nana. They mention this is the radius 5 centimeter. Now let us take the dimensions. We have to take it here. This is what a 5 centimeter. Then what they mention slant length under. Slant means a curvature nature is slant. This is slant length. This is 8 centimeters. Next height is what? 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter height. The height of this one. Now let us try to write in the solution cases. Take a data. Radius is 5 centimeter. Now let's slant length L is 8 centimeters. Now height is 6 centimeter. This is the data they mentioned already. Okay. Now let us just take. You need to find CSA, TSA volume. Now let us take one by one. What is the formula? You're already perfect. Please be read some CSA. What is the CSA of this cylinder is? Pi or L. What's the pi means? I told you 22 by 7. What's the radius, Mana? 5 centimeter. What's the length of the slant is? 8 centimeter. Now let us we should start working over here. There is no cancellation is possible here. Please you need to multiply it. 22 5s are, you need to working out. And after you multiply with this one, you can take 8 5s are 40, 40 into 22, it's better. So 22 4s are 88, the answer is 80 80. So answer is 80 80 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Now next second one is TSA. TSA means what? Formula is pi RL plus curvature. CSA means this curvature. Pi RL plus, now we can take top one. You need to close one cap. So that is circle. So pi RL plus pi R square. So pi RL already I calculated. I don't want to do now. 80 80 by 7. So pi R square I should do. Pi R square means what? 22 by 7 into R square. What's R? 5 into 5. Okay, no? If there is no cancellation, again you can do 25 5 is 25, 25 into 22. So 22 into 25. 25 2 is 50, 25 2 is 50, 50 plus 5, 550, 550. The answer is 550 by 7. So it you can take 80 80 by 7 plus 550 by 7. So LCMs are denominators are same, numerator you can add. So 80 80 plus 550. So 0, what you can take 13, 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 14. The answer is 1430. 1430 by 7 centimeter square. This is a TSA of your cone. You need to remember CSA of pi RL, TSA is pi RL plus pi R square. So this is the answers. Clear? Now what is the next thing? Volume of this one. What is the volume of cone, Nana? 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square, 1 by 3, 22 by 7. What's the R value? 5 and 5. What's the height, Nana? 6 centimeters. So here there is no possible. Is there any cancellation possible? It's possible. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now rest of it is not possible. Okay. Now 5 fives are 25, 25 twos are 50, 50 into 22. So 22 into 50 by this 7. So 5 twos are 14. Now we can multiply 22 into 50. 22 fives are no. 22 fives are. So 5 twos are 10. All are zeros. 5 twos are 10. 5 to 11. So 1100. So 1100 by 7. What is the units here? Volume units what? Centimeter cube. So volume of cone is 1100 by 7 centimeter cube. This is clear. Now cone is clear. Now what is the problem number now? P is 3 also. Now problem number 4. Now let us take same thing. The radius of cylinder is a 5 centimeter. Same. Then after that radius is over, now you can take a slant. Length is not required here, only height they mentioned. Height of cylinder is 6 centimeter. Find its same CSA, TSA and volume. Now let us take here simple analysis here. Please draw the diagram first. Cylinder means what? Like to look like this. Cylinder. Now cylinder, what they mentioned dimensions here. Cylinder only possessing radius. What is the radius, Nana? 5 centimeter radius, and they have only height 6 centimeter. They don't have slant length. It is not slant. All are heights only, because it is not a curvature. It should be all. So you can take what is the radius? Yes, 5 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder is 6. And this is the data they mentioned. Now after taking the data, you people has to know and start working over here. Number one, what is the mention? LSA. What's the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. Formula is 2 pi RH. Now substitute all. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 5 centimeter. What's the height is now? 6 centimeter. Not that 6 centimeter. So is there any cancellation? No cancellation. Let us work. 22 to 44. So 44 into 5 6 is 30 by 7. Now 44 into 3 is. So 44 3 is 4 3 is 12, 4 is 13. So 1320 is answer. So 1320 by 7 centimeter square. Now it is finished. Now let us take CSA. CSA means what? TSA, sorry, TSA, total surface area. Now it is LSA, not it is CSA. because it is the nature is curvature nature. CSA means curvature nature. LSA means the plane model. So CSA 2 pi h, now TSA means CSA plus rest of area. What's the rest of area here? 2 pi RH plus rest of area means here top is and bottom. Two caps you need to close now. Previously this side nature you find out area. Now you need to close the two caps of. So pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. This is their duty has to do. What's the 2 pi RH value? 1320 by 7. 2 pi r square. 2 into what's the pi r square? 22 by 7. R square means what? 5 5 is 25. Okay. This is the duty, and you can simplify. You'll get an answer. I don't want to do. You can continue that. Centimeter square. You can do simplification. You can do it. This is the TSE of your cuboid. Sorry, cylinder. Now let us go for the third one is volume. What is the volume of cone is? So volume of cylinder is what? Just only pi r square h. Pi means 42 by 7. R square means 5 into 5. What's the height? Is 6 centimeters. Now it's very clear. There is no cancellation. 5 5 is 25. 25 6. How much it is there? 25 6. It is 200. 25 6 is 25 4 150. 25 6 is 150 by 7. Just 150 into 22 you multiply. You can divide by 7. You'll get an answer. That answers into centimeter cube. Because volume is centimeter. We can multiply 150 and 22. You'll get an answer. That is volume of your cylinder. Now it's clear. Now last one it is last question. The sphere radius is 5 centimeter. Find the number one sphere area and the sphere volume. Second one, hemisphere area, hemisphere volume for a same dimensions. Okay. Now let us take first one. Clear it is what they mentioned, a sphere. What is the sphere radius they mentioned? 5 centimeter. Am I clear? Just 5 centimeters sphere radius they mentioned. Now let us, this is a sphere. The radius is 5 centimeter. Now let us take, what is the first one? What's the area of a sphere? 4 pi r square formula. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means what? 5 into 5. Okay, now let us, what he has to do? 4 into 22 into 5 5 is 25 by 7. Please multiply this 4 into 22. It is 88. 88 into 25 by 7. After the 88 to 25 you multiply, then you can divide, you'll get an answer. That is answer is centimeter square. Now area is clear. What is the next one? Volume. What is the volume of your cylinder is? So the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. What do you got to do? 4 by 3. What's the pi? 22 by 7. R cube means what? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So there is no cancellation. 4 22 is 88. 5 5 is 25. 25 is 125. 125 by 3 7 is 21. Please multiply with 125 into 88. You will get an answer that you can divide with 27. 21. You will get an answer. That is the answer is centimeter cube. The unit is centimeter cube. Now you will get the volume of your sphere. Now it's very clear. Now same dimensions they are asking hemisphere. The same dimension is, let us take R is same 5 centimeter. They're asking, the thing is hemisphere. They're asking hemisphere cases. So similarly, same thing, hemisphere, you need to take a formulas. The hemisphere area means what? 50% of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Previously you have a area of a sphere. That answer you can do here, you'll get an answer. Answer is centimeter square. But the slight difference is perimeter case, volume case is same thing. What is the volume you has to do? 1 by 2, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, what he has to do? 1 by 3. The volume we are going to get, the thing is that he has to do, we will get an answer. The formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. For 50% you can do, you'll get an volume. The area of 50% you'll get an answer. This is what hemisphere thing, 50% of that. Here there is no perimeter cases, and here the pension it is the simple. Just what I told you, this is the area. The area means you're getting this top area. This you CSA. This is what. So once time I should refresh. I'll give the question for hemisphere. You can get even more clarity. Hemisphere. Hemisphere for the same dimensions here. The thing is R is equal to 5 centimeter. I should draw that figure. I should explain very clearly. This is a 5 centimeter figure. Okay. Here the for hemisphere there are two areas as possible. CSA. I forgot to say TSA now. CSA means this area will come. Only this. We should paint the curvature, but top paint it should be closer. That paint should not be covered in the CSA. CSA means I told you just now 1 by 2, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 50% of your area, that is what this area should be going to paint. TSA means this answer how much you're going to get. That is 2 by 3 pi r cube formula plus pi r square. Okay. Now same thing you know that r value. So what is that 2 by 3? Pi means 22 by 7. R cube means 5 cube plus pi r square 22 by 7 into 5 into 5, 5 square. This is simplify. This is the extra area of your cap. You need to close the cap because you need to close the box. So box should be, it should paint it is. This is the TSA will come. CSA means only this curvature nature will come. TSA means total should come. Total paint how much you require to paint it. That will give a TSA. Now just I told you volume. Volume of hemisphere no need to change. Just 50% of the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere formula. So 1 by 3, 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula for this. So you'll get an answer. Here it is not, it is 4 pi r square. I wrote wrong formula, 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Just 4 pi r square. Nothing but 1 by 2, 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. This I should give CSA very clearly. 1 by 2, 4 pi r square. The formula is 2 pi r square. TSA means 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Answer is 3 pi r square. So you can do it 3 into 22 by 7 into r square 5 into 5. This is a TSA. Sorry for interruption. CSA means this only 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 5. Clear? This is a CSA formula. This is TSA means 50% of this and this one pi r square. Previous this volume is correct only. The previous what I was explained. So volume formula, this is a clear. First you have to understand the formulas. 4 pi r square is this one. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So like this, we are already explained all these part 3 videos, what we taught in that. Now we cone is completed. Then after cylinder is completed, then sphere is completed, then after cuboid. 5 topics we completed. Okay. If you have any doubt, please watch the formulas previous video, then practice all formulas problems by your own. Taking your other numerical values, practice is more for you. Because I was given my own values, you can change your own values. You can take working on that. Let us come to me. Okay. Thank you. We'll continue the class in the next section by taking other videos.